Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Let's start with writing our name. Mrs. Kim. Please make sure you write your names even though you know you only wrote your name in the front because it's good practice to keep on writing. And today is May 6, 2020. And today's worksheet is it's very similar to the back sheet of yesterday's. So let's read the instructions again. And I know I got cut off yesterday. Complete both number sentences following the directions. Then check which was easier. So we're doing the same thing as yesterday. We're going to do the count on method and take from 10 method. And you're going to check the boxes that was easier for you to solve that problem. Let's see the first one. It says 11 minus 8 equals blank. So when we use the count on method for subtraction, we count on from the second number to the first number. So in adding, we usually start with the bigger number first, but not in subtraction. We start with the second number. So we say 8 and we count on until we get to 11 to see what the difference is. So let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, you don't count the 8. So you don't go 8, 9, 10, 11. You'll get the wrong answer. You need to make sure you just say 8 out loud so you can help you if you're counting on. You go 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 3. The difference between 11 and 8 is 3. Now let's take a look at the second part. It says take from 10. So remember, when we're taking from 10, we need to make a 10 separate, and we need to put the 1 separate. So we have a 10 and a 1, and it says minus 8. We take the 8 from the 10. We know that 8 and 2 make a 10. So we're going to know that there's 2 left over after we take away the 8 from the 10. And so the problem will be, we'll add 2 more to 1 to know the difference. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is the answer. If you need a visual help, you can do your groups of 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1 here for 11. Cross out 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 2 and 1. And that makes 3. Looking at this, it seems like this one is a lot more easier to do. But you have to know that sometimes when you're losing larger numbers, working with the number 10 and knowing the parts of it will help you be able to do your math problems more quickly. So please make sure you do that for the other problems and check the box that was easier for you to do. Let's take a look at the back sheet. On the back, the instructions are the same as well. It says complete both number sentences following the directions. Then check which was easier. So we're going to do the same thing. Counting on 11 minus 7 equals blank. What number do we need to start with? 11 or 7? 7 is correct. Why are we starting with 7? Yes, because it's subtractions and it's the inverse of adding, which means the opposite. So when we count on from 7 to 11, we know the difference and we can get the answer. Let's count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The difference between 11 and 7 is 4. Let's try the next one. 11 is 10 and 1. We know that if we take away 7 from 10, there's 3 left over because we know 3 and 7 make a 10. So if we have that, we know 3, 1 more is a 4. Once again, whichever one was easier for you to do, you check. For me, it was counting on, but sometimes math for me is taking from 10. I can do it a lot quicker because it just works really quickly in my head. If you have any questions, let your teachers know, and hopefully we get to see some of your work this week. Have a good Wednesday.